I'll briefly describe how to use an interact simulation that quizzes you on partial molar enthalpy and entropy. The simulation is on the LearnChemE website at the link given here, and here's a snapshot of one step. So the idea is you move through step by step and you enter information or you move a point on the graph, and then you see what the correct solution is. If you select new problem, then you start over but with different numerical values. In this case, we're plotting molar entropy versus the mole fraction of A in a binary mixture. So let's look at this simulation. So here I've just selected a new problem, and it says locate the pure component enthalpy of component A by dragging the black dot to the correct location. So mole fraction of A, pure component is over here. It's asking you to drag the black dot. I won't do that. And then it says show the solution. It shows you the correct solution. And then the next step, it asks you to do the same thing for component B. And you go through, in this case, we're looking at molar enthalpy. Some details of the equations involved are here. And the idea is to better understand partial molar enthalpy and partial molar entropy.